Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix runtime error r6034 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing this runtime error r6034 on your Windows 10 or 11, then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to open your command prompt. For that, just you need to click on start menu, then type here cmd, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow. Here you need to type couple of the command what I will provide in my video description link. You can just copy paste from there. As you can see, this is the first command. Just select, copy, open your command prompt window, just right click on the top of this command prompt window, click on edit and click on paste and hit enter. Guys, it will take some time to complete this process. After completion of this process, you need to type the second command. So I will close this window and show you the second command. Open this command prompt window again, just right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, click on yes, copy this second command, right click on the top of the command prompt window, click on edit and click on paste and hit enter. After completion of this process, just close this window. Once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix runtime error r6034 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.